Hello everyone, welcome to Tracy's Cooking. Today I'm going to make a fluffy scrambled egg in garlic coconut oil. So we have here, this is 6 eggs with 1/4 teaspoon of salt already. And over here we have our 3 garlic chopped, large garlics. And we have our coconut oil. This is extra virgin coconut oil. This is about a tablespoon. And here we have our pepper. Now, if you don't like pepper, you don't have to use this. But if you love a little spice, you can go ahead and use your pepper. But this is going to garnish. This is going to sprinkle on the egg after it's finished. So we are going to start by beating our eggs. For we to get a nice fluffy looking scrambled egg, we need to make sure we beat all the eggs thoroughly. Mix it right through, complete. So we have our pot on medium low, and we have our garlic here, sauteing to release that garlic flavor. And oh yes, flavor is high, garlicky, the way we want it. So we don't want our garlic to burn. So this is enough. And you want to make sure the oil is covered all over in your frying pan. So we are going to pour our egg mixture. And we are going to leave our egg cook at the bottom before we start moving. So you want to stay at the stove to watch your egg because you don't want it to burn. And we're waiting to see form begin at the bottom. It's begin, but we want to see a little more. You want to leave your egg slowly cook. You're going to start to pull away the egg at the bottom so the one on top can cook. You're going to keep pulling. You see that color? You see how everything is yellow, no white and yellow? That's when you mix it out properly. So you don't want to mix too much because you don't want your egg to all too scrambly. So you're gonna go slowly. If you like your egg moisty, probably this is okay. Now we are going to off the stove. The heat from the stove will finish cook the egg. You're gonna flip your egg a little bit. Yeah, this looks like our egg is ready. So guys, this is the final result of our scrambled egg and coconut garlic oil. You see how yellow it is? This is because we mix the egg properly. You need to mix your egg, make complete. The white and yellow must blend well. And for you to have this nice fluffy look, you need to make sure you do it just as I show you. Look at this. Fluffy, lightly moist, not too soft, and sprinkle with my spicy pepper. Enjoy guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment, share. Bye.